Toyota's commitment to efficiency and convenience can be seen in every corner of its vehicle design, and that even includes the windshield wipers. That's because select Toyota models feature windshield wipers that are recessed below the top edge of the hood, which helps allow for reduced aerodynamic drag. However, it also means there's a specific position required when they need to be raised for replacement, or to prepare for severe winter weather where they might otherwise freeze to the windshield. But once this windshield wiper service position is activated, they can easily be lifted like normal, secured in an upright lock-back position that won't interfere with the hood. Now, setting this position is simple. Just move the wiper switch to the mist position and then hold it for at least 2 seconds. Please note, however, that this also must occur within 45 seconds of shutting off the vehicle's ignition. The wiper arms can now be raised and secured in the lock-back position for easy removal and installation, or simply to prepare for icy or snowy weather. Just remember that the wipers should be lifted by the arms and not the blades. Otherwise, bending or other damage could potentially occur. This service position can be deactivated just as easily. After setting the wiper blades back onto the windshield, simply turn the ignition switch to on and operate the wipers like normal. Again, it's important to remember that the wipers need to be lowered first. They should not be operated when they're in the lock-back position. Once the wipers are activated after being in the service position, the wiper motor will intentionally operate at a slower speed for the first cycle. This is done to minimize any potential damage from possible contact with the hood. If the wiper arm does contact the hood, however, the wiper motor will automatically reverse and then stop. And that's all there is to using Toyota's windshield wiper service position feature. For more information on applicability and proper usage, be sure to reference your owner's manual or visit toyota.com.